Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. Today I'll be showing you some questions and we'll try to answer them. And after that, again, we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to each and every question. Now, let me straight away open the document for you. Kindly have a look at this. This one. The first one, which of the following countries is associated with? Which of the following countries is associated with intelligence satellite OPEC 16? This is an intelligence satellite, and the question is, to which country does it belong to? UK, Germany, France, or Israel? Answer is option D, that is Israel. Right? Look at this. Look at this. Israel has successfully launched its intelligence satellite into the LEO. It stands for Low Earth Orbit. Right? Kindly remember, these type of questions are very important for the examinations. It is not just India's indigenous satellites, but if any country launches any satellite, if it is there in the news, then it may be a possible question in the forthcoming examination. Right? Now, another important one, you may please have a look at this. Dehing Patkai, this is a wildlife sanctuary, is sometimes seen in news. It is located in. Many times it is seen in the news, and now also this is very much there in the news because this wildlife sanctuary, it has been transformed into a national park. It has been transformed into a national park. That is the reason why this is very much there in the news. Right? Now, before going ahead, I would like to tell you what is the difference between a wildlife sanctuary and a national park. Wildlife sanctuary is a place where the wild animals are protected. I repeat, a wildlife sanctuary is a place which is a protected area where the animals are protected. But when we mention about the national park is higher concept. National park means we are discussing about the entire ecosystem where we are mentioning about the preserving of the flora and fauna of the entire habitat. Clear? That is the national park. Am I clear? Hope you got the difference between wildlife sanctuary and national park. Now, once again, let me show you the question. Look at the question now. So this wildlife sanctuary is there in the news. Now the question is that this is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh or Karnataka, Gujarat or Assam. Answer is Assam. Please remember this. Okay? And this is there in the news because this wildlife sanctuary has been transformed into a national park. Right? Now look at this. So this is the state of Assam. Right. Now, look at this. Wildlife sanctuaries refer to an area which provides protection and favorable living conditions to the wild animals, whereas the national park provides protection to the entire ecosystem, that is flora, fauna, landscape, etc. of that region. And now the point is that the government of Assam has decided for the upgradation of the status of Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary to the status of a national park. Now this is a national park. Right? So please remember, and this one is located in the state of Assam. Now, another very important thing, the question is that recently in which country India constructed Sri Saptami Gurukul Sanskrit Vidyalaya. Sri Saptami Gurukul Sanskrit Vidyalaya, where it has been built. Please remember, so this is constructed in the nation which is our neighbor, that is Nepal. Right, in the earlier class also we have discussed regarding the straining relations between Nepal and India. In fact, it is not exactly the straining relations between India and Nepal. And one man, the Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. KP Sharma Oli, because of his decisions, there was a strain in the relations. And maybe these things will be settled very, very soon. And the indications are very clear. China is interfering into the internal politics of Nepal. That is the reason why Mr. KP Sharma Oli, the Prime Minister of Nepal, is continuously criticizing India, right? And he says that the reason for coronavirus in Nepal is India, right? And the entire world knows what is the exact cause here. And he amended the constitution of Nepal and included Indian areas. Into the, this constitution of Nepal, right? Uh, and one more important thing, very recently he announced that the real Ayodhya is located in Nepal, right? And from centuries together we believe that Ayodhya is in India. And he says that now this Ayodhya is located in Nepal, right? So meaning, so this is a person who is always, coming out with certain controversies. Now, once again, let me open the document. Kindly have a look at this one. And what should be the answer? Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, or Nepal? Answer is Nepal. Look at this. Right. So, Shri Saptamai Gurukul Sanskrit Vidyalaya was constructed under the Nepal Bharat Maitri. So this is a development partnership, a high impact community development project of Indian government in Nepal. In fact, this Vidyalaya, meaning school, was launched in the year 2009. Now it has been upgraded. Important one, please remember. Now another important one, look at this. You might have read in the newspapers. Answer is also there on the screen. Which state becomes the first state in India to have LPG gas connection in every household? Very, very, very important. Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or Himachal Pradesh? Answer is option D. That is very much there on the screen. Very, 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 very important, right? And Himachal Pradesh got this distinction of becoming the first state in the country to provide LPG, liquefied petroleum gas connection to every household in the state. Look at this. All households in the state of Himachal Pradesh have access to LPG gas connection, making this state as the first state in the country to achieve the goal set by the Prime Minister Mr. Modi during the launch of Ujjwala Yojana for providing a cooking gas connection to every household in the country. Very, 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 very important one. What is Ujjwala Yojana? That is important. And what is the objective of Ujjwala Yojana? That is also important. And who launched this program? That is also important. Now, which state became the first state to provide LPG gas connection to every household? Every point is important for the examination point of view. Look at this, another one. Which of the following launched Digital India Atmanirbhar Bharat app innovation challenge? Is it Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Communications, or Ministry of HRD, or CII, Confederation of Indian Industries? And the answer is option A, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Fine. So that's all for the day, and I'll stop at this stage. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care. Good night.